This video I'm going to show you how to encrypt and decrypt text using Python. Let's start by opening our PyCharm Community Edition. So this is what you have seen in your Rusty previous video that can help you to know the real specification of your computer hardware. So let's create a new project. Let's call it Python cryptography fix. So after this project, we are going to, in this video we can encrypt and decrypt. In Python we can encrypt and decrypt text using various cryptographic libraries and algorithms. But in this video we are going to use cryptography as a library which is going to help us to encrypt and decrypt text. It is a popular choice used in Python for cryptographic operation. So let's create a Python file and call it cryptography. So now we are going to install our library cryptography. We have to use pipe install. This is a library that is going to help us to encrypt and decrypt text cryptography. This is a library that you are going to use for encrypting and decrypting text. So let's install it. So after finishing to install it, you see we have finished to install cryptography library. Now we are going to start by writing our script, our Python script. So let's start. Here we have it use from a cryptography as our library, from cryptography dot fernet import fernet. So now we are going to define the function, or to declare a function for generating key for encryption and decryption. So let's write it. Define generate a key function. So function or method. Let's write a message generate a key for encrypting or for encryption and decryption. You see? So after that, what we need to declare a variable of key equal fernet dot generate a key. See, fernet dot generate a key as a function. So we have it right here. We have open. This is for opening file keys and other things. It's a open function, open let's use double quotation. Let's write here secret dot key and comma WB as key file. This for key file as a key file. Key file. You see? After that, we have to write key file dot write key as our variable. So after that, we are going to define the load key. Load key is for load the previous generated key. So let's define load key. Load key as a method or function. So let's write the message. Have to write load the previous previously, let's use previously generated, load the previously generated key. Load the previous key. No, load the previous generated key. So after that, have to write. Let's use the method, the return method. Return the open for opening files and other things. Open double quotation secret dot key comma here we use RB dot rate. So now after that, what you are going to define, you are going to define the encrypt text function. So you are going to define or to declare encrypt text function. So here we have to put text comma key. As you know, it is a variable declared. So after that, you're going to write the message that say encrypt the provided text, the text that we will enter or that we will provide for encrypting. So after that, you have to declare a variable which is going to be equal to fairnet. You have to put here key. So After that, encrypt the text. No, encrypt the text. Encrypt the text. Encrypt text equal f dot encrypt text dot use encode function. Encode function. So after that, you are going to return the encrypted text. No, encrypted text. Return encrypted text. So here we are going to define the function of decrypting text. Encrypted text. So here we have to put the encrypted you're able to return encrypted. Let's use encrypted. So encrypted text comma, use the key. So after that, what you're going to do is to provide the message of decrypt the provided encrypted text. Decrypt the provided text. So after that, what you are going to do is you are going also to use the variable f, which is equal to format. Okay. So after that, decrypt the text. Decrypted text equal to f dot decrypt function. So use encrypted text. Here we use encrypted text dot outside dot decode function. Use decode function for decoding encrypted text. So here we have it to return decrypted text. So now we are going to generate and load the key. So here you can generate once and load subsequently. When you can generate once and load subsequently. So let's call this function. So let's use for example, if name This is for help us to run our script. Echo main. I didn't put double quotation. Echo main. Sorry. So after that, what you are going to do is let's put here the comment of generate and load key. So after that, for generate and load key, we have to use generate key. We also use key equal load key. This is where we are going to generate once and load subsequently. Let's put it here. You can generate once and load subsequently. So after that, you are going to let's put here a comment for you are going to get text to encrypt from a user. The function so let's declare variable that's going to help us to get the text to encrypt from a user. Let's put here a comment and call it encrypt text, or get text to encrypt from user. Get text to encrypt from user. So after that, let's declare a variable. Let's call it plain text equal input. So after that, you're going to enter the placeholder of enter the text to encrypt. Enter the text to encrypt. So you can put here. So after that, what you're going to do is for encrypting text. Let's put here a comment. So encrypt text. So for encrypted texts, we're going to use encrypted text equal to encrypt text function. Encrypt text, and what we have to put here is plain text, our variable plain text, comma key. So after that, you're going to print encrypted text there. So here we have to display the encrypted text, and you have to use placeholder of encrypted text. See? So after that, we are going to decrypt. For decrypting text, decrypt text. So for decrypted text, we are going to write decrypted text equal decrypt text function or method, and we have to put here encrypted text, comma, key. So after that, we are going to return or to print out decrypted text. Okay. Decrypted text. I'll use placeholder of decrypted text. So now we are going to run the program and see the output. Let's run our program. So here we are going to enter the text to encrypt. Let's write matrix engineers. Let's see the output. You see the encrypted text of matrix engineers. The decrypted text is this. You see the encryption of matrix engineers. It's wrong text. The decryption of matrix engineers using cryptography library. So the decrypted text is this. Encrypted text is this. Guys, thank you for watching. If you are more interested, do subscribe for getting more about Python. And there's a tricks. Thank you guys.